All right, everybody, today's the big day. Today's the day we're going to take her out for a test drive. Since the last video posted of us firing it up with the twin turbos, we've done some tuning on it, a little bit here and there. We just got done installing the boost controller, Turbosmart boost controller, and got those belts tightened up from the last video that were squeaking. They're still being a little bit of a pain. We also finished up the fender. We wish it would have turned out a little bit better on the fenders, but hey, at least it's brown again. If you've seen any of the other videos from older, they were black fenders because they're brand new. Since then, we also changed out our water box to a larger water box, 7.5 gallons, Rule 2000 pump, 3/4 inch line, so that should be great for our intercooler to keep it nice and cold. So we're gonna fire this bad boy up and take her out for a little bit of a spin and see if we can adjust our boost right now. We're gonna be shooting for a street tune of about 12 PSI, so we're gonna do that today, and hopefully she runs good and we can get some more quirks worked out of her and can put some power down to the ground. So we're hitting about 8 pounds of boost right now, which we're gonna have to go back and fool with it. Got a camera lady over here helping out, and so we're hitting about 8 pounds. We'll have to go back in, do some tweaking with the boost controller, see where we're at. Right now we got the intercooler pushing water, so it's doing a great job keeping our temps down. I can already tell that the truck's feeling better with the cold air going through it for for the intercooler. Other than that, we're gonna get home, tweak some stuff, and maybe take it back out again another day. But that's the first drive with the boost controller installed, about 8 pounds right now, and we'll eventually get it turned up some more and get some more videos going. All right, so we're back at the house now, and we're going to have to give her, probably gonna go 1 turn, see how it turns on the boost controller, to see what the difference in boost is with 1 turn. We also noticed that it's probably somewhere on the seal. We got a little bit of water out top here. Might have splashed out the top, but we'll figure that one out. We were only able to get up that whole run to about half throttle because the rear end just breaks the tires loose anything past half throttle. So but half throttle, I was still able to get full boost out of it, which at the time, like I was saying, it was 8 pounds of boost. So we'll turn it up a little bit, and once again, it can only go about half throttle. We're gonna have to get some bigger tires on the rear of it. Right now we got the 295s on the rear, but she breaks loose pretty easy with the 295s. So we'll see for that, and then also the track bars to see if I can keep my my axle pinion angle correct, because we don't want any axle flop right now with all this power. So we'll work on those 2 things, the tires, the axle, track bars, and I'll probably be in a different video, and then we'll take her out for another test drive. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you later.